When you're buying a condo, there's certain things that you absolutely must have, and this one happens to have every single one of those. A must-have is a concrete building, which means you're not hearing your neighbors. Also is having a corner unit where you only have neighbors on one side and you get extra sunlight coming in. Another must-have might be a sunroom for you, where you're going to get to enjoy river views all year round. An extra bonus here is even that you get to see the water taxis that are leaving from the dock just down the river. Another must-have is adequate amount of space, including 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, giving you the flexibility for an office, a guest room, or maybe you just need space from that other human that you are living with. Here, you are going to get all of that. A must-have if you're moving into a condo is in-suite laundry and adequate storage, where here we've got walk-in pantry, walk-in closet, great closets, as well as extra storage downstairs for those once-a-year items. Another must-have is heated underground parking. And here we've got a must you didn't even know you needed, and that is your very own parking spot with no neighbors on either side of you. Another must-have is an elevator, making it easy to get up to your unit, and a pool so that you can relax at the end of the day. Here, you can have all of that. Reach out and book your showing to check off everything on your must list.